This pattern is knitted on 9 needles plus 1 for symmetry. I casted on total of 41 needles. Pick up right needle from 0, transfer it to the right, and then transfer it back to the left. Now transfer 2 needles from the right to the left. Now pick up needle on the left of the 0 and transfer it to the left and back to the right. Now pick next 2 needles on the left and also transfer them to the right. Count 5 needles from the empty needle. Transfer this needle to the right, to the left, and then transfer it back to right. Now pick up 2 needles and transfer them to the right. Pick up next needle from the needle with 2 stitches, transfer it to the right and transfer back to the left. Now take another 2 needles and transfer them to the left. Count another 5 needles and transfer 5th needle to the left and then back to the right. Pick up the 2 needles and transfer them to the right. We will do same thing on the left side. Count 5 needles, transfer 5th needle to the right and then back to the left, and transfer another 2 needles. Pick up left needle from the needles with 2 stitches, transfer it to the left and transfer it back to the right, and then transfer another 2 stitches. Count another 5 needles. Pick up the 5th needle, transfer it to the right, then back to the left. Pick up next 2 needles and transfer them also to the left. Push all the needles to working position and knit 2 rows. Now I will shift my pattern 1 needle to the right side because on the right side I have 21 needles. Start with 2nd needle, transfer it to the right, then back to left, and then transfer another 2 needles. Now take 1st needle on the right, transfer it to the left, and return it back to the right. Transfer another 2 needles. This way our pattern is shifted 1 needle from 0. Continue with pattern same way we did in the first row. The only difference we have is that the pattern was shifted 1 needle to the right. We are back to our first row. We're starting transfers from the first needle. This pattern consists of 4 rows. First row is always started from the first needle, and second row is always started from the second needle. When you are casting on, make sure on the right or the left side you have an extra needle. So because I have 21 needles on my right side, every second row I am shifting 1 needle to the right side. And here is our beautiful pattern. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching.